how to insert a table in MS Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word step by step. Tables are very useful for organizing information like schedules, lists, reports, or comparison data. So let's get started. Open up your Microsoft Word document and then place the cursor where you want the table to appear, and you can see insert tab at the top. Just tap on it and you can see the table option. So you can just tap on it and you can see various grids appear. So you can move your mouse over the grid to select the number of rows and columns that you want. As you hover, Word will show a preview of the table size. And once you're satisfied, just tap on it and then there you go. The table will be inserted. Now, another way to insert the table is go to Insert tab again and then go to Table and you can see Insert Table. Now, you can manually put in the number of columns and rows that you want in the table. And then you can auto fit to contents, auto fit to window according to your choice, and then hit OK. So there you go. It's as simple as that to insert table in your MS Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.